In this video, we're going over how to unlock the Moto E6 so you can use it with any carrier. The first thing you want to do is go to your phone app, tap on the dialer, and type in *#06#. That's going to show us our IMEI. You're going to want to write down this first number right here. You're going to need that later on in the video. Next, we will need to go to Google Chrome, and we're going to go to the website, theunlockingcompany.com, and just fill out a few prompts. First thing is going to be the manufacturer, which is Motorola. The model is going to be the E6. Or look, so go under Moto and then E6. Tap Unlock Now. Then you'll answer a few more questions about where you purchased the phone. So the country, which will be the United States. Carrier is going to be Metro PCS. Click Next. And then on this last screen here, you will need to enter that number that I told you to write down earlier in the video, the IMEI. So let's go ahead and input that number. You'll need to put in your first name, last name, and the email address you want them to send the instructions for the unlock, and your phone number. Before you hit order now, just take a look at the disclaimer right here. It just tells you specifically the type of phones you can unlock on this website. Specifically, they are GSM phones, so carriers such as AT&T, T-Mobile, Metro PCS, Cricket, Consumer Cellular. These are GSM type carriers. They don't unlock phones from Verizon, Sprint, Boost Mobile, etc. So you just have to make sure your phone is compatible. The Moto E6 is definitely compatible if you got it from T-Mobile or Metro PCS. Right here, it will show you the pricing of how much it costs to unlock the phone. You always get a discount on their website, so you're going to pay $70. And then this is the average delivery time, but they tend to get to it a lot quicker than this, but it's just kind of an average, just as an FYI. From here, we're going to swipe back up, and we're going to click on that Order Now button. You're going to pay, and then wait to receive an email from the unlocking company with your unlocking pin and the final instructions. Now, after this, we're going to go home and to the home screen, and you will need the SIM card of the carrier that you want to use on the phone and a SIM tool to take out the SIM card. So you're going to simply pop out the SIM, look for the little SIM card tray. It might be here or it could be on this side. You'll see a little hole that you'll just pop that through, and we're just going to take out that SIM card. We're going to put in an AT&T SIM card. Once you have the SIM card in, restart the phone. Just hold down the power button, tap restart. Now, once the phone restarts, this is the step where you'll want to wait until you get your final confirmation email from the unlocking company. It will have an unlocking pin usually, and it will have the final unlocking steps. Now, the thing is, the process to unlock the phones does change from time to time, so that's why we're going to pause here, and you'll want to refer to that email for the final steps of where to input that pin to do the final unlock. If you do have any issues, you can always go back to their website. There is a live chat that you can tap on to talk to someone, or there's a phone number you can call to help get your phone finished unlocked. All their services have 100% money back guarantee as well, so you definitely can't lose there. So this has been how to unlock your Moto E6 so you can use it with any carrier. Hope you guys found the video helpful. Make sure you like, favorite, and share if it was helpful. Hit that subscribe button and stay tuned for more videos. Take care and have a good one.